In day 4 video, I talked a little bit about ideal customer avatar or your target customer. So let me give you some examples that exist in the market. I'm talking about India, of course. So there are a lot of mobile phones in the market, and there are lot of segments also. One are on higher end prices like Apple, OnePlus. Some are in mid range like MI, Oppo, Vivo, and Poco also, Poco phone, and some are in lower range segment market like there are obviously mid and small range prices of MI, Vivo, Oppo, Poco also, and Indian companies like Lava, then Micromax. So they have clearly defined their target segment or the ideal customer avatar. Like a person earning somewhere around 20 to 25K will not go for mobiles ranging in the higher end or the mid range. They will be certainly going for the phones which are priced at at a small range, maybe around 8 to 9K range. So and they sell better for them. Similarly, the person who are creators and those who want to innovate or create some content regularly, they are going to purchase or buy Apple phones because they obviously um, see their advertisements. They purely focus on how you take click pictures, and those are not just pictures, but those are cinematic pictures which makes you shoot videos like a pro, where you can display your photography skills and also your creativity skills there. Those are advertised accordingly. Similarly, there will be some phones which are made for gamers, so they have defined their target segment particularly for gamers only. And there will be uh, some phones which are meant for people who are not so much tech savvy. So those phones will be um, small range phones where there will not be lot of features inside the phone, and the person using it can navigate and use it for various functions, limited functions itself through that phone, and they will be able to do all the things. So this was an example of ideal customer avatar related to phones. Now let's talk something about real estate. So this is a very good example. Like real estate examples will not be doing advertisement for kids. They'll be doing advertisement of homes for persons, uh, like means those are having some earning capacity, or they are earning a good amount monthly. So they will be getting customers through those when they are targeting people maybe around 30 years, because at that age most of the people are economically stable with their job, and also they look for buying into new things. uh, they want to settle down somewhere. So the real estate comes into picture, and it can be anything, 2 BHK, 3 BHK home. So those are the target customers for real estate. Similarly, when you go for some, let's say, bike example, there are some higher end bikes which cost more than 3 4 lakhs, and obviously the target customer is defined. Most of those target customers are youth, because they obviously you are not going to purchase some higher end bikes and driving it at a speed of 20 to 30 kilometer per hour. Obviously you will be going somewhere around 150 to maybe around 100 to 150 all the time. So those are the target customers, and most of the time uh, the youth will be driving motorcycles at those speed. Although I don't promote uh, driving bicycle at higher speeds because it causes lot of fatalities on the road and accidents occur a lot. So you can find how the target customers or ideal customers are put in place before coming out with a certain product. So you use this learning and define your ideal customer avatar and write in the comment section what ideal customer avatar you are going to serve in the future. So that's all from me. I'll be coming with some other learning tomorrow, another video, and on this journey of becoming a rupee millionaire, I invite you, join me in this, and we'll together create a revolution. So, bye for today.